Hi and welcome to BeatThatMaths, the home of easy learning maths. Today we're going to look at how to solve algebra level 5. This is the traditional two-step equations. Here at BeatThatMaths we always believe in getting ourselves warmed up and getting the brain ready to deal with numbers. So if you haven't already got warmed up, you can always check one of my quick warm-up videos and you can meet us right back here. So level 5 algebra. I can guarantee that you are going to have this question in your exam. Okay, so if you work through today's challenge and master it, then you're guaranteeing yourself easy marks come exam time. So level 5, what makes it level 5? Well, as said, is a two-step problem. Our expressions on both the left-hand side and right-hand side are going to have missing values. So you're going to have, for example, 3x on the left-hand side, and on the right-hand side you could also have 2x. But not to worry, because as always, it's not that much new. We're just building very gradually on the other skills we've already managed. So if you've seen my other videos from level 1 up to level 4 in algebra, you should be more than ready to tackle level 5. It's only a little bit extra, but the rules will always stay the same. If you're ready, I'm going to head to my whiteboard. You can head to yours as well. If you don't have a whiteboard, you can always use just pencil and pen, but I would suggest you have something. You can also check the description link where you can download today's worksheet to work alongside the video. So if you're ready, let's head to the whiteboard and let's see how to master algebra level 5.
This is how to solve two-step algebra equations with BeatThatMaths. Let's take a look at our first example. 2x plus 3 equals x plus 11. Now you can see that we have a missing value on both sides. That's the something new for this level. So, as before, we want to take the number from the left-hand side and move it across the equal sign to the right-hand side. As before, anything that moves across becomes the opposite. So plus 3 is going to become minus 3, and we move it across. Now, we also need to take the x from the right-hand side and move it to the left-hand side. And again, if it moves across the equal sign, it becomes the opposite. So this is now going to give us the new equation, which is 2x minus x equals 11 minus 3. From here, we can now solve this, and it becomes much easier to do. 2x minus x will leave 1x, and 11 minus 3 equals 8. Easy, right? Let's have a look at another example. 3y plus 5 equals y plus 25. So let's take the number from the left-hand expression, which is plus 5. We're going to move it across to become minus 5. Now we're going to take that y from the right-hand side and move it across to the left. This way we have missing values on the left-hand side and the numbers on the right-hand side. That positive y is going to become minus y. This gives us a new formula, which is 3y minus y equals 25 minus 5. From here, let's simplify this one. So it's going to become 2y equals 20. From here, this is now fallen back onto level 3 knowledge, where you have multiple y's. So 2y equals 20. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. So y equals 10. So now that we've got the hang of it, let's try some challenges. Using your worksheet, or write these questions on a whiteboard, work through them. They are: question 1. 2a minus 4 equals a plus 3. Question 2. 3d plus 5 equals d plus 18. 7y plus 2 equals y plus 14. 4f minus 3 equals f plus 27. Finally, 6h plus 4 equals 2h plus 16. Now, feel free to pause the video here to give yourself time to work those 5 questions out. And when you're ready, resume the video and work through the answers. So, if you've worked through them, let's have a look. Question number 1. 2a minus 4 equals a plus 3. We're going to start by taking the minus 4 across to the right hand side, and it's going to become plus 4. Secondly, we're going to take the right hand side a and move it to the left hand side. This gives us a new formula, 2a minus a equals 3 plus 4. And if we simplify that all the way down, we should have a equals 7. So our answer is a equals 7. So question 2. 3d plus 5 equals d plus 18. So again, let's take plus 5, move it to the right hand side. It's going to become minus 5. And we're also going to take the d on the right hand side, move it to the left. It's going to become minus d. This gives us a new equation, which is 3d minus d equals 18 minus 5. When we simplify this, this gives us 2d equals 13. Now, not the easiest number to divide into, but 13 divided into gives us 6.5. So our answer is d equals 6.5. Question 3. 7y plus 2 equals y plus 14. Let's take that plus 2. We're going to move it to the right hand side. It'll be minus 2. And we'll take the y from the right hand side and move it across to the left to be minus y. This gives us 7y minus y equals 14 minus 2. When we simplify that, we have 6y equals 12. If 6y equals 12, then y must equal 2. So our answer is y equals 2. Fourth question. 4f minus 3 equals f plus 17. Take the minus 3, move it to the right hand side, it's going to be plus 3. We will take the 1f and move it to the left hand side to be minus f. Our new equation is 4f minus f equals 27 plus 3. And if we simplify that, we have 3f equals 30. Therefore, if 3f equals 30, 30 divided by 3 gives us 10. So our answer for this one is f equals 10. Last question. Doing really well. Keep it up. 6h plus 4 equals 2h plus 16. Let's take plus 4, move it across to the right hand side, it's going to be minus 4. And we will take our 2h and move it across to the left hand side, it's going to become minus 2h. Our new equation is 6h minus 2h equals 16 minus 4. Simplify that, we should have 4h equals 12. If 4h equals 12, then h equals 3. So our answer is h equals 3. Really well done if you got all 5 of those correct. That's Algebra Level 5 complete.
Really well done, guys. That's Level 5 in Algebra mastered. So thank you for using BeatThatMaths to help you with your algebra. I hope I've been able to help you. If I have, please leave a comment and give me the thumbs up. And as always, subscribe to the channel before you go. That way you'll keep up to date with any new videos that I post that may just be your next challengeable topic in maths. As always, guys, from BeatThatMaths, thank you very much and good luck with your maths. Bye bye.